So, hello everyone, welcome to One Classroom channel. My name is Devansh Purohit, and today we are going to go through a couple of popular mathematics questions. So, these questions are going to be basically at middle school level or maybe at high school level, but at university level, like it is assumed to be have such kind of knowledge of mathematics and so that is also a little bit background about myself. So I'm in the final year of my graduation in aerospace engineering. And if you need any homework help or if you need any tutoring help, then you can check the links in the description below. Now, without wasting your time, I'll just begin with the lesson today. So, so here we have question number one. So it is asking that how can I divide two matrices together? Okay. So matrices. So the thing is that for dividing two matrices, there is not any direct approach. So basically, sorry, yeah. So basically, to divide two matrices, like uh, in if we go for the vectors, then in the vectors also we have this thing that we cannot just subtract two vectors. We basically take the addition of two vectors and we add a negative sign to the vector which has negative direction, and then like indirectly we go for subtraction, but directly we are actually doing the addition of the two vectors. In the same way, for in the cases of matrices, we don't actually go for the division because there is no direct formula. So suppose if I take that, let's say my A matrix is 1, uh, I'll just go for a 2 cross 2 matrix. So let's say my A matrix is of 1 1 1 1 and my B matrix is of let's say 2 2 2 2. Then I can just take the product of two matrices, which will be 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2. So 1 2 is 2 plus uh, this into this. This will be 4 4 4 and 4. So this is the direct approach. So basically we just multiply for the first element of this matrix. We just multiply 1 with 2 plus this one with this 2. So that in this way we can just go for the direct multiplication. But in the case of division, we don't have a direct formula. Or there is no direct method, so we cannot just like in the way we did the multiplication, we cannot just go for the division. So what we do is that we just multiply A with the inverse of B. So that is nothing but A by B. But this is the kind of indirect approach which we follow in the case of matrices. So I can just take the inverse of B, it will be 1 over I think adjoint of B, and yeah, so that is the procedure of taking the inverse of matrix. I'm just going to skip that part. So let's see the solution given here also. So to divide two matrices together means to multiply one matrix to the inverse of the another matrix. For example, in order to divide the two matrices A and B, we get the inverse of B, which is B inverse, and we multiply. So this is the answer. So basically, we go for the indirect approach and we take the inverse of the second matrix first, and then we multiply that inverse um, with the first inverse with the first matrix. So that is, I think that is pretty much all for this question. Solution is correct here. Good work.